In front of me is Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. All you need to do is launch it and use this color palette to pick one of those themes. Then manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize them though, use the same settings, just this one, use this plus under my themes and tap on the photo you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, hit next, adjust brightness, hit done, manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!